Hello everyone and welcome back to the Onyx Automotive YouTube channel. Today we've got a very special one for you. As you can see on screen, we've got this Ford Escort Cosworth RS that's in need of a full restoration. So it came in with a bunch of stone chips and dinks. So the boys here at Onyx Auto Bodies are going to strip the entire car, add filler, sand all the paintwork, give it a full respray, and then it's going to go over to Onyx Automotive to get detailed, and we're going to show you this entire process in a 4-part series. So first thing, the car is going to need to be stripped, then each panel is going to need to be sanded down to remove all the original paintwork, and then every single panel is going to be masked off and ready for paint. So now the car is fully masked off, it is now time to go in the paint mixing room and apply the amazing OEM colour that this car came out with from factory. So before the car goes in for paint, we give every single panel a wipe down just to remove any dust or contaminants that are left on the bodywork. So now there's a less likely chance of any nibs being in the paintwork. But now it's time for the real transformation and everyone's favourite part, the painting process. Our paint is now on the car. Frank right now will grab the light and check over the paint before we add lacquer to the vehicle. But here is how she stands right now. Lacquer will change the entire car. Watch. So this is the end of part one. In the next episode, we will be applying lacquer to the entire vehicle, watching it go from a matte finish to a glass finish and bringing that paintwork to life, and the transformation on that is unreal. We're also going to be giving the car a stage 1 polish as well, and we're also going to be doing a deep dive into our rectifying process of when something does go wrong in the paintwork, and we'll show you how we rectify that to make it perfect. All of that in the next episode.